Friends, in this video, we will learn about air. So, let's start! Air is all around us. We cannot see or smell it. But we can feel it when it moves. Plants and animals need air to live and breathe. Moving air is called wind. Gently blowing wind is called breeze. Sometimes wind moves very fast. It is called a storm. A storm causes a lot of damage and blow things away. It mostly comes with thunder, lightning and heavy rain. Properties of air. Air has a direction. The direction in which the branches of tree or your clothes or the smoke coming from the chimney moves is the direction of the air. Air has force. Wind has a lot of force in it. A storm is much more forceful as it can uproot trees and blow away everything that comes in the way. Now we will discuss component of air. Air is a mixture of many gases such as oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, etc. It has water in the form of water vapor. Keep some water in a ball in the sunlight for 2 or 3 days. You will find that the water has gone. Actually, the water in the ball has not gone. The water in the ball has changed into water vapor due to the heat of the sun, and this water vapor mix with air. Air also contains smoke, dust particles, germs, etc. Smoke mixes with air and makes it impure. The germ from a person's cough mix with air and makes it dirty. Friends, now we will discuss uses of air. Wind helps us in many ways. Some of them are listed here. It helps clothes to dry faster. It helps kites and gliders to fly. It helps sailboats to move faster. It helps the hot air balloon to fly. It turns the blade of windmill to produce electricity. It also carries away seeds at new places. Friends, now let's revise. We cannot breathe impure air. Air helps us in many ways. We should breathe clean and fresh air. Dirty air can make us sick. Air contains many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. It also contains smoke, germs, and dust particles. Thanks for watching.